Hi. So, I ordered something. Oh, okay, there's a hole in the package. And another one over. Okay, this is full of holes. Another one. Anyway, there was a Halloween sale at Little's Laboratory. I hope I'm saying it correctly. I always wanted to say laboratory. Anyway, I ordered a bunch. I can't actually remember exactly how many I ordered, but I thought we could check them out. So here, I wasn't sure on the sizing, so I guessed I was a small, but like in the little for big, I am an extra small. In Dottie, I am a medium, and I'm an extra small in something else. So I guessed I was a small, and it's the Kinky Scientists. Oh my god, this is so this is awesome. The fabric looks really soft, and it's a 4-way stretch. And looking at the stitching, it looks well made. And yeah, it's not low quality, so I'm not sure how I feel about all of them having this baby opening in the top here. Makes them a little less vanilla friendly, but I would still wear this. It says Math Daddy. It's awesome. It's got like, yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's move on. Sorry, I'm probably gonna look at this a lot, just to look at every single picture. I've been really excited about this one. This one is the prochoice onesie. Oh, I love it. It has, it says like prochoice. It has fetuses and uteruses and period-stained panties, and a zygote. There's a I can't remember the English word for this. Well, you know, the birth control, the IUD, the one that I want to get. It has condoms and stained maxi pads, and it has like it says tough like a pussy. We can take a pounding and keep on coming. Oh my god, yeah, that's true. Oh, it looks quite big. I'm pretty sure I should have gone for the extra small. Yeah, this looks really big. Oh well. And oh, I got the dinosaur one. It has dinosaurs on it. Yeah, this is pretty big. Anyway, it also has the names for all the dinosaurs. Yeah. Stegosaurus, Velociraptor, Triceratops, and all the other ones that I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce for the first time on camera. Okay, and wow, okay, we've gotten 3 already. And then we got this one. This one is the mental health one, I'm guessing. Which I'm also excited about because it's something I struggle with. And it's got pills, and it's got a brain with some sort of creature biting on it, and it's got like a scared brain and a bipolar brain, and a brain that's trying to clean up while having some sort of ghosts behind it, pointing at something. Got some smiling pills, and what is it, oxytocin? Serotonin? I don't know, it's some sort of, like, brain, oh my god, brain chemical. I swear, I sound really smart in Icelandic. Anyway, got the, blackboard onesie, and it has some equations on it, and some diagrams, and it looks really cool. It also has a neuron, and a lot of things, and it's all, like, all of these are made from the same fabric. And, yeah, this is the Brainiac 2.0, I think. And, yeah, it has long sleeves and has the brains all have glasses, so now I feel like I should take my contacts out. Yeah, it has just a lot of science-y things. Like, I'm not gonna name all of them because then we'd be here for hours. And, oh, this, ooh, yeah, that's the tabletop one. Yeah. Dungeons and Dragons style. Yes. It has all different dies on them. Dice? Yes, dice. And, just, like, arrows and weapons and 2+, and some potion bottles and stuff, and it's really cool. Then there is, yeah, I got a lot apparently. Space or under the sea, yeah, like deep sea. I don't know if it's called deep sea, but it has deep sea creatures on it. Squids and some fishes and some of those glow fishy thingies. Yeah. That's very smart. Glow fishy thingies. Yeah. It's really cool. It's really cute. And a lot of these are something that I can wear out, especially the pro-choice one. I would wear that a lot, and yeah, I would not put it past myself to, wear this, Sigmund Freud as an adult baby, and Albert Einstein with a paddle. And yeah, okay, let's not get into this. I love it. Oh, here we have the mushroom one. And it actually looks like someone came up with this idea while they were on shrooms. Because it's, like, really colorful, and there are mushrooms growing out of brains, which in reality would be a terrible thing, but on a onesie looks adorable. Yep. I don't have a lot to say about it, but... And then the last one, Schrodinger's cat. Schrodinger's cat. There we go. Oh! Yeah. It's basically got the alive cat, the dead cat, the half-dead cat, and the poison, and oh, it even has the little chest here that says "Do not open," and then like it's signed by Schrodinger. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. And oh, god damn it. What's this? Okay. This was definitely 3D printed. But yeah, it's like an octopus. And it has a hold on there. Out of this world attire for space-bound bipeds. And it says, Little's Laboratory, give us a follow. Little's Lab, be tiny with us. It's really cute. Oh my god, the stickers. Yeah, I think I bought stickers too. Yes. Completely forgot about that. But I did not buy all of these. I got a lot of stickers that I didn't actually buy, but that's so apparently I got a complimentary squid. No, not a squid, an octopus. God damn it, English language. Anyway, I think this is one that I actually did buy. It's a bit bent, but there you go. It says, I've got neurons bigger than your dick. And, when he talks big game, but only wants to take your choices and freedom and joy. Oh yeah, and that's Princess Clitoris banging her head against the wall. Thanks, but I can decide what's best for my uterus without you. And here's Princess Clitoris. Come on, focus. Focus. Anyway, it's Princess Clitoris on top of an egg. No, is that her uterus? I don't know. It's Princess Clitoris with like a sword and a shield. So, Princess Clitoris saying pro pussy, pro choice. Why aren't you focusing? Like, is that how this works? No, apparently not. You can find them online. I'll put a link in the description. This is Clits Are Lit, starring Princess Clitoris. And here is Life's a Beach, Not a Trash Can, with a whale covered in garbage. Okay, this is not a big fan of this. I don't have anything against weed. I'm just a recovering addict, and I don't like it that much. It's 120 divided into 2. Okay, I'm just gonna try to make it focus so you can read it, because reading out equations, reading out math makes everything just difficult. There you go. Come on. Well, you can see it at least. Hang on, maybe Okay, whatever. Schrodinger's cat, dead or alive. And, another one of those, I've got neurons bigger than your dick. Okay, so apparently I got, like, a complimentary of, like, all of them, but I only bought this one. So I've got 2 of those. And here's a little adorable penis. And Dinosaur saying that tea is stale, dude. Yeah. Okay, that video is long enough, so I think I'm gonna have a separate one where I try it on and talk about them. Okay. Anyway, bye. Hang on, I have to count how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, I think I just doubled my stash of onesies. I just really love Little's Laboratory, and I think they have amazing products. Seriously, these are so clever. I love them. Anyway, if you want to get any of these for yourself, I'll just link them. I'll also put a link to their website in the description, and you can just find them yourself. Okay, bye.